Hello everyone and welcome to a section where you will learn how to create a taco finder application. Now this is what you see on the screen is the finished product, and you can see that apart from tacos you can find restaurants, cafe, park, museums and many other things. But it started with Taco Finder because hey, why not? So let's go ahead and see that how this application actually works. And this application is completely 100% created by ChatGPT. So I just prompted different things and that's the result. So first of all, you can note that it is finding the location and it is putting me in Cupertino at Apple campus, at least in the simulator. And now I can click on any of these different things like tacos and I can find all the taco locations. So if I zoom in, I can see all those different taco locations near me. Apparently there are a lot of tacos in Cupertino. And I can tap on any of these places that I like. And it gives me a lot of other information like address and distance from my current position, postal code, city, state, country, obviously United States. And also it gives me directions and different options. Like I can use Apple Maps, Google Maps, and Waze. So if I go ahead and click on Apple Maps, it opens up Apple Maps and it feeds the direction. And now I am good to go. Pretty cool, right? Now, apart from that, I can also search for something. I mean, there's a text box on the top, so I can go ahead and say burgers. There are a lot of different burgers over here, including McDonald's, In-N-Out Burger, which is obviously very famous, Wendy's. If I click on In-N-Out Burger, I can see the directions, right? So there you have it. And you'll be building this complete application using ChatGPT. And I'll show you that how you can prompt different things and get the result. And then I will also show you that ChatGPT can help you refactor and suggest that where you put all the code. So it's going to be so much fun. And you're going to see that how AI tools help you in your development and make you a much better coder. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and get started.